Hi, I'm Indrajit. I'm BE Computer Science student, 2024 batch now. And in 2024, in February month, I have joined in Pyspiders, and I select the course by Python full stack, and I get good experience in Pyspiders. Every teacher, every trainers, they give a clear they give a clear explanation for every concepts. Getting more knowledge in every subject they teach it, especially by Keshav sir. I have learned good knowledge in Python from him, and for SQL I was learned from Alex sir. So it's really the training is very good, and then they conducted regularly mock interviews and grooming sessions for crack the placements, and it really helped me to uh, face the interviews. Uh, Thank you.